Yamamu nyina kwa babiem emfa emra bedwam djumadi so wo Adom TV. Enaso yeda foforo enkomo aye ne Minerals Commission panepa oda ano etwetwembra no bra no. Yesua ande enyanimde esua hunu ewo efomagudie tuo ewo manga na ha. Enkomo twetwe ye fa ngo betimi aboa se ne be ye efomagudie tuo ayetu ne yemamu no. Ye nkutu ne kwambone so emesika na nyamede a che no ebeda ne ohaw emfama ye. Meaning the Akwasi in so you're the Chief Executive Officer at the Minerals Commission, or Martin Ayisi, and one babato, a bebetua, and Quayan Esso. Now, we train ye didn't commodify for quite a bit me for some Saka licenses at the Abbey or mining. And I did a share, as said 2020 in 4 years a crack, a Minerals and Mining Act named Senebeya, and near my ye did Juma, a mining site. Sawo krade aba sawo to ko abetimi afa so beto na ebe na nso biama enwuma so kra aba Ghana hanom eno nkomo ne ye ba abedi akra boko biem
bia boko na so
e de yemi ase ela no so ahwefo amiati awe se enkomo twe na yetwetwe no yesua bi e de free mu na I hope se yekọ enumi ano ye besua mo ene be bia ye pese ye de ne hwe eye ye fend procurement and nema ye to edidi juma ewo mining site Minerals and Mining Act die ne ka e de fa ho
me se me dase na me de se share bio ye wo companies we bring Ghana ha e be too gold e be too bauxite e be too manganese e be too small scale and na ye o ma enye say ya mom license omo yen hwehwem they are can say exploration
okay
and na be omo too good and na bauxite free bibi mine support services on ye man license onko too good and onko yen hwehwem and onko too mineral bia na good e bia but on say mine for no nema bebre wo ho a omo de ma okay for example omo use fuel pa
yeah
2019 was over $100 million.
Wow.
Petrol kwa
mining from kwa
mining and no crop we 14 mines 14
$100 million
yes fuel kwa petrol omo top the ejuma fidie ni o the lubricants kan kra there omo ya do be 200 and a 9 minister can say you see 4 new mines within 2.5 years.
Okay.
New month for best when 1 billion. As a new mine or half enough. Azuma soon almost spending about $250 million. Carding almost shares here, new months for so much shares here.
Yeah.
Lithium so I ain't shares here, but 2 billion. On better for. See, within the next 2-3 years, all the foreign lubricants, boom, be able to grab $500 million. Wow. Almost use explosives. Explosives, there no explosives, no mining.
Yeah.
Because no now, all the breaking rocks, no.
Sure.
Wow, into explosives, you know, almost top. About $100 million. Ye import baby and some mix it wa omofa ammonium nitrate no dey account diesel no man mix it
okay
na omo dey share to grow no pa na I break up the rocks explosives nti na omo fa na explosives no
yeah
ma bob mienu anye bia me pese me chiechi mu dey nti a dey emra say ba
sure
mines for no omo didi ebi employees 1,000 ebi 2,000 ebi 4,000 direct and indirect. It's important to say takwasi do a prim go for so workers go. Sometimes we share baby a mine one kroma. Be 20, 30, 40 kilometers. And this say omoko pe caterer na obeseti ab nuaduane wo ho.
Okay.
In so be fa my 4 crowd by 7 ko 4 crowd this say we call the nearby villages. No the omogu bus no the omaba no be 7 we no mo back. 2018, 2019, Eduani Tonkwa about $25 million. A lot of mines are expanding, you see new ones. Into one share, we have 50 on catering alone.
Sure.
omoto all kinds of chemicals. After no baby no nya license now or the adwuma no ma yemfa say minerals commission say
okay
titi no near to me for workers ye be fa say we cleaner into adwuma no so be bantem abe cleaner ha offices toilet bibia wo ha by 5 no ko edru baby kra ye no contract ni say your company a ye dey mo contract eno ani so be fa ono ani workers
okay
machine one by my paper how maybe we are no more come baby. Me say a lot of institutions do that.
Sure.
Into mining companies, you know, BB friend contract mining. Into in say Cardinal na Newmont. New one by see to make decide say okay, ya my license BB but ya po bia. Oba fa coffee fidie akọ fire explosives. You know, breaking up the rocks. I'm afraid we drill and blast, and then load and haul. No, they call plant haul. Baby, now usually is no cry na sika wom. Until your underground, your surface.
Okay.
Until you me bolis in as a new segment. Now the end say, to me nye juma. Juma biama mining company of Ghana. Abra Minerals Commission register. Okay. Nti won kofo bebre am register so media me pese me contract mining. Either surface and underground. And ye won kofo bin so am say okay media me pese me ton explosives.
Okay.
Nti companies are use explosives every day no. Me pese me copy contract ho. That's one. Obi obeka so media me caterer. Me pese me nua aduane.
Yeah.
We mu nua say register omo. Obi woko beka so me a security company. Until since 2019 no ya pamo foreigners from the security sector in the mining company. First no mo for company of South Africa no ba no be security and na good for mo use all these things. Until your mining companies be brave and our companies be brave are more registered with Minerals Commission. Our juma mines. Now the question is, I know people besides say, then say register mo one. If person who say, oh, hey, be mining companies, you know, Obia was security company. We call Anglo Gold. We call Obuasi. We call Eduapme. We call Prestia, FGR. All these companies are more security.
Yeah.
Our Mudiama in conform already. Ghana for the SR
okay.
Into your kind, your checking employment data because you okay. Mine and can say be more about 1,000 workers. Okay. But security aspect, you know, gold room. Entrance on the Ghanaian company be about 40 workers. Then they didn't boom. And then direct and indirect employment, you know.
Okay.
So yeah, transing you say no. Sika omodi ma buying royalties and not tax. Echo GRA need dividends in no. By 2018, 2019, will be almost between $800 million and $1 billion.
Okay.
Then you check it bibiano. Omo use 3-4 times
of the
ton yema. The infant say omo ma buying $1 billion. And you see the assembly make omo buying $1 billion. Almost spending $3 billion.
Our equipment
omo the ton yema. For example, $1 billion new modiba be see new ma or half enough.
Yeah.
$500 million are cardinal omo see by next year omo be poor good.
Okay.
500 million, I have enough nickel 1.5 billion. With the Azuma lithium can it's almost 2 billion.
Sure.
About almost 90% be near on beto. Hall roads, down BCC, clinics for the staff, you know, explosives and all those things. Until I say beside I want to say now companies in do na you can afford it.
Yeah.
Until you shareholder. Now your shareholder now will be a for 1 billion so open so import it near man or Mudibasi mine. Until you jam one. Mr. Sebio toilet roll come by import it. Years ago, grab bottle water nobody back.
What mining side?
Yes. Until I now feel say, oh, BBI royalties need taxes. But Sikano do na or goods and services because you see 1 billion where Mudibasi a half on a woman shares here.
Sure.
And yet, then on bet your tax because some would ye almost seek an answer on your profit.
Yeah.
Into the onbet your royalties. Into 1 billion a year, I said, you say at least, and ye be a dear be ebia 800 million or so dollars no yetumi ye wa nti ye ekakroma nti niema mienu either say ye be make sure say niema no bi or this a Ghana for na be ye ti say o mama contract man this e be call Ghana ni ho security Ghana ni haulage Ghana ni what do you call it catering Ghana ni
okay
na the ometumi a import no more import but no crowd yes you brand number ye wa ha ti say explosives na bibi say come and set up here because ye adwuma na ye pe taxes ni ye pe nti ube ma no kwan na o de be fi amane no on be ye wa ha wow nti no they spend 3-4 times how much they pay to government enye nne na half no betua tax maybe after some 4 or 5 years
yeah
cardinal this omu yom 500 million answer
sure
nti no sikano 500 million omu dey see my way so making sure say do na be car for example omu ye no omu see whole roads from my hall to baby on my way no na come dey ma Chinese we say no yeah they can't listen this a Ghana ni nti omu dey ma contractor bi ofi stream omu ye omu sisi adan and all those nti adwuma no nti ya na you see education is in here
sure
because obi feel say oh look Uko street no sisi here na ukoye interview oh Ghana mine okay ye ni mobuasi ye ni mdunkwa ye ni impressed and one so mu she baby na omo ye de omo ye bibi no mama ban tax ni royalties kakra bi no ma say asase atikura say Ghana wo 10% pe
yeah
but o de me see emfa taxes ni royalties to nchen sika no or goods and services into waiting yes into waiting here in she say
yeah
okay niema bi wo wa this o ye o Ghana
okay
and now the ma Ghana ni untumi fa fra amano ni
okay
nti share that one nti we na ma parliament pass law no 2020 LI 2431 okay so this is the background
okay nti papa ne na me bisa sa fa yenhwe list na ye ka ho asem no die niema na mo consider ema item bi ebe kan list no say we niema o say minus no eto free Ghana no munye free Ghana
de di kan no o show list na ma me bi media no say o niema be 50
okay
last year na 41 first thing company bia o yejuma o Ghana ha say o chere almost every procurement plan
okay
no man almost about 5 years afia so for 5 years no obi bia dey win the amount match we are for example afi bia obeka tell so metals we metal explosives metal say dudu say sika say me the way fi amanone metal we o Ghana wow almost file report no okay and yes your research department near trans say companies you know mo say afibia almost spending $25 million on catering na say dey we betime o Ghana aduane nua Ghana for kra nua Chinese food
yeah
and ye hwe baby ascan wo pa ni ahwe say idea we say Ghana for betime here then there are two lists no say one idea we there we your planner account for account
yeah
number 2 want to me farm more be outside Ghana
sure
san yet inti say your capacity there menim twi kasa for capacity
yeah
and I say what there and I betumi ya yempe monopoly say ni papa ko ne ya normally nyanya no sa yenya be 3-4 bi pe so we there edu baby a yehwa ya Ghana for be 10-5-6 omotumi ya adwuma we companies no so complaining no say there are two lists no unto sure near there are two brackets exclusively Ghanaian shareholders and directors
okay
so into ufa catering say number catering number 19 catering services exclusively Ghanaian directors and shareholders into asia no say enne company bi biara opese obi contract na ombe nua aduane ema workers na o man no so
okay
on to me for contract no ma foreign company
okay
asia no Then until 2018, honum, a lot of the companies were offer security free South Africa. 2018 security. So South African companies will go for example, go to Ashanti. And the chance say, you a lot of companies here security. People into the two listen also. The security. And then me joined Minerals Commission about 21 years ago.
Okay.
That time, who say be a Ghana ni be a or bet me a contract mining. Say be my contract. Say Konako drill blasting.
Okay.
And then you want to drill and blast, you load it and haul it to the plant.
Sure.
Companies from Australia in South Africa, a party collapse here and South Africa companies buy but in say Ghana for chance into say more than 10 companies or contract mining. 2 years ago, you decided say, okay, mining, 2 ways. Said I mentioned last week. Either so be surface mining and underground. And see, dear, we a mining company or Ghana now. Person the contract more be number too good no more. To me, any company from outside. And it be Samia Minerals Commission. That's our biggest achievement. Because contract mining out of the 50 items, okay. $1 billion 2019. Yes. Contract mining. Car companies no more Ghana 2018, 2019 almost spending on contract mining.
Okay.
Beji, copper machine, break up the rocks, haul it to the mill, not crash it. The mark contract.
$1 billion.
So that means that out of the 50 items on the list,
sure.
Contract mining is equivalent to all the money they pay to government. Say taxes or royalties or and VAT kitten, just one item. Sentinel, say now when you start here because of that criticism, say mining benefit. I'm for be ni ma say niema we answer Mr. say about the road. Inkofo nim. And one say almost a boost say America see government 10%. Must say assassino good no come the cost and you say refining no man tax be my own procurement tax.
Okay.
So this is just one of it. Into contract mining there you will name there Rockshore, engineers and planners, Ramoff, Tonket, omunya Inti the eba be was no upper west upper is near a half of so member contract money there second phone.
Okay.
Underground there.
Okay.
Technology in here.
Okay.
Sikano suka currently no crap we see 30% last year. This year picture to 40. Until show boas here Ghana ni bi sheho. Oni Australian company being the first Australian company be AUMS, no more AMS and AUMS. AMS for contract mining surface and AUMS there underground. Inti yapamomo Ghana for nature also say into almost to me a surface, but almost that's so half for the underground.
Oh, okay.
Maminka be being sure. Newmont. They've been around for getting to almost about 15 to 20 years now. Half of the first they open pit and now surface mining.
Yeah.
And almost 30 somewhere underground. And the Australian company, AUMS, underground. Near the Shishaba, I said 30% Magana for last year. No more contract with the Australians, it will be July last year. Near the Shishaba by January last year.
Okay.
So 30% minimum. This year, I need 40. Nti at the end of this year omuni Ghana ni be nhihye ombe joint venture edu baby kra na enya nimdie amba underground no kra e be ka say the contract whether surface or underground say so we dey tie no yie.
Okay.
So that means that the Minerals Commission and found too late say contract mining underground this all the at least 30 or 40% man Ghana ni anka July we last year July anka Newmont bɛsɛ renew ama Australians no ɛnyɛ sika ketewa na yɛtiwe ho nti mumboy abaso galam say hire mo but mumboy abaso
mo ya de ba
anka be $500 million be ko Australia but say Ghana ni
okay
surface kura de enyeye nti na say ko control South Africa o mo say o be den wa
wo gu yejuma
o pam o be den wa nti asema down we contract mining contract mining is more than more than the money all the mining companies pay to government to as taxes with the dividend ni royalties ni etuomoma GR ni nyira di boma and do contract mining. Last 2 weeks minister here ni meet the press conference meet the press series or whatever they call it. You see a 4 new mines within 2.5 years. Cardinal Omebe started some 2 gold next year. A half enough within 2 years. Be ready. Azuma. We munya Omebe contract mining. Into ye call 1.5 to 2 billion. No.
Yes, 7 year mine.
Yes. Into the otia now see a CEO Minerals Commission. Ye the Juma say as shown sa na taxes. Me can say taxes in royalties in here. Now titia now ninam. But nobody found. Na so ono broni no obepese ofi baby na oba enjo obepese we dey start skills development kura next time go bon say o see Ghana kura Ghanaians na running mines no
wow
na it drop him 650 workers from MD to cleaner Ghana from what me joining Minerals Commission me start here from the lowest officer assistant legal officer 2002 April 2nd and I mean adwuma Minerals Commission middle level to the top broni. Now saying vice president fair meeting be on this gold for oil thing. Normally never say I fair say regulators.
Sure.
You fair all the CEOs. Bibini Kodaki Mahumbu Nibia or Esubontin Anglo Gold Ashanti Boasi Pobi Dua Prim Joshua Mototi Gold Fields Omunyana then Asia ho Nanka mi yesu because me town upon them say 20 years ago nanka abrofo
na titi money
Ghana ni buy be a superintendent and bibi mine captain ene onye Ghana ne ontimi nye mine manager nti ya koye nimpa
sure
yes nyama sisan by ambodero you will not know
afa share the community na ye mine wo mu no example which is say T-Row na ya beto akọ mining site one more or see a top free community na ye mine wo in case you ton T-Row in be one more and everything they free anywhere of the country na call.
Okay. We should listen so niema miensa.
Okay.
1. Some of the items on the list unya Ghana ne ontumi nye.
Okay.
And obibia betumi aba Minerals Commission be paper I register.
Yeah.
Inti we caterer nya say this of buasa and obenya contract ho. Go to Ghana for there.
Sure.
Until that one is open to every Ghanaian, but preserved for Ghanaians.
Okay.
Catering, security, haulage, contract mining, surface operations. Now, saying the dams, TSF account.
Okay.
And no cry the Nyesika Kitua. Then your second issue, no, your baby nim dienu you need 100% capacity into yes, you okay. But me about but maybe at 30-40% you can afford it. It's a contract mining underground.
Okay. And
now explosive no be oil import. And no crap we see from Ghana ni. Say be import you cry see from Ghana ni. Third one, any your friend local. And na me di ba answer your question no.
Yeah.
Openi ufri krobia. That's why say you Ghana for gold no you Ghana for there no.
Yeah.
Muna muluzu mu asasi. Mfano za omo obuasi anatakwa ana prestia. So Portocas and Obeka said they bore the brunt of the operations more than the rest of Ghana.
Sure.
They lose their lands, etc. If you require so reset it chrono, like Cardinal say, a could be almost no buin or my reset your Intinia decided say a Juma biwa you must come from the community. And by definition formation of community is very careful. And you say change, you should be like belong to ethnic group. So for example, me feel rara,
yeah,
Biakuya district. You know, say good be pure or not. Yes, you ejuma we meboso farmer chrome for na. Oba rara your rara zongo.
Yeah.
I be 40 ho. Yeah, I can for if he contents in nearby ho. In can for be ho. Your uncle for Oma worry why him could be or cry teacher ni. They are all part of the community. They are living Obianim. They are Muslims, they are other tribes who have been living in Rarabi or 30-40 years.
Okay.
We consider them as part of the community.
Yeah.
Until you decided say Niema bi wo ho a farmer omo moving patam ho.
Okay.
Until plumbing, basic electrical works, supply of territories and fumigation, and then all those basic things. Oh man,
okay.
You give it to companies who are registered there. Until no contract no bape because you be painting 20 bungalows or 5 bungalows. You need more companies you need more.
Yeah.
So they just send the invitation to them. And no cry the media must step it and no cry down. In the end say Ochina say Newmont say oh ye pay plumbers no me adwuma we but kona koji permit or minerals commission e be attend no be close Monday who do minerals commission office now see o me say see Newmont am my invitation almost see ye be supply toilet roll
yeah
but almost ye need permit ye to me BD and one so be application
okay
ye be ma letter no they are common Newmont say Osimesi say he lives in that community or Nisakamo invitation no
yeah
or coin say or be taking part in the bid and we need contract no crap he's even allowed to start by the time his registration will be complete next time you share be requirements registration say on better as here that is how we have bent the rules backwards just to accommodate Ghanaian and o rational say o ni want a mami contract go for some mami contract but almost me got permit and you be more here yes because they can't wait for you sure. You lose the contract
yeah
into apart from that ejuma bi also ya catch a company for no say take it from the community masana say mine wo rara ada na okwa driver from Asante Mampo baby a wo free
yeah
and now go be a pure let's say obuasi into obuasi the whole obuasi one nya baby in fact driver say oba kofa driver or in kana rara why so the basic labor requirements
okay
yes o monfa or even a bakura say obi akọ university like engineering say they take them into cardinal say guys be or humans they happen to come from talency ho oh almost started some school fees into yes almost automatic ejuma almost you humans pay you be form
automatic
ade what mining or mining engineering or talency or humans why won't you employ him na say no na engineering
information wa how
oh apo ho that is it almost started some school fees ni ma compiling this ni nya ma omo na say me ko akoko aso I think upon Nkrumah's constituency me ko resolve the issue or me see omo ncho bra all the engineering students who are in the various universities and polytechnics omo fi akoko aso they should bring the list
okay
we'll give it a money comment they will pay
that's it. Whereas your penny Martin Ayisi
na infasono in say oh papa ti kro ho we are losing the cocoa farm now oh you ma to we are engineer untumi nya juma o mai ho oh now kwaya now buy
Penny Martin Ayisi chief executive officer Adom Minerals Commission amote say and so here no edin kuma catch say enkomodie ebi e ho pa en penfo en sakra bebre e wo yamamrem ye kuye nim ya no ebedi e ho komobre medin de akwasi nsia yebesa e de ehye bi